love her style of music.
I like her voice.
Yemi Alade Eberechi. My stage name is still just about the same thing, Yemi Alade.
Hi. Fine to meet you. Hi. Good evening. So if you guys wait, hello.
I really like her song, The One Journey. Yeah, the video was smashing. It was really nice. The dance, the choreography, the dressing, like the stuff she wore, and her backup dancers, they were really nice. It portrayed the African culture.
I love African stuff. I think I get bored easily. So I've done all the Brazilian, Peruvian, Mongolian hair, you know. I'm over that. The things I can't maintain, if that's one side. And so I just decided to go with anything African. If I see something African I like, I'll just rock it.
I was born in Abia State, Umuahia to be precise. I attended St. Saviour's British School for my primary school level, Victory Grammar School for secondary school level, and Unilag for the university level, tertiary.
I like the way she switches languages. Singing in French is a big thing, so it's not really easy to do.
Yemi, your seat is over here. Can we just appreciate her? Okay, if you're going to hug everyone, I'll just continue. So please, we've taken enough time. Just take your seat. Thank you. Yes, we're so excited to have Senator Itagiwa in the house. It's amazing to see women of her caliber support younger women, and that's what Gay Men's really is all about.
For a long time now, I've been an ambassador for the Blanty Glam accessory line. And when at some point, some months ago, I just thought, why don't I just have my accessory line?
You too like to demo, you sabi demo. Oh yeah, pose, ayakata. You too like to demo, you sabi demo. Strike a pose, oh yeah, pose.
Thank you so much for coming out, taking our time to honor my little invitation. Thank you so much. And I see so many women here that you good guys. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And God bless Blanty Glam for taking a chance with this young lady. God bless the beauty for taking a chance with this young lady. God bless you, mommy, for coming. God bless you. I watch you every time I get into I board a flight. I see I'm like, sophisticated mama. Hey, I'm just looking. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I don't have anything to say, but thank you. And make sure you brought your purse. If you don't bring it, I get POS. Thank you. Thank you very much.
In Nigeria, I would definitely mention someone like Omami because she's someone I've looked up to for such a long time. The guys as well, P Square. I love P Square. Like up till now, those guys are still killing. How are they doing? Like really, share the love. You know, people like that always encourage you. But when it comes to like outside Africa, I am in love with Beyonce. I can't even hold back. I know why I love her. I'm not just loving her because I'm a bee. I'm part of the beehive. I love her because she's strong and her stagecraft is 100. She dances and sings at the same time. She's a walking horse. I can't explain why I decided to tag her a horse, but she is very strong.
This love now, it gets us to be